What's up, everybody? We're back again. This time we're checking out Japan's longest covered shopping street, Tenjinbashi-suji 6丁目 shotengai. It's quite a mouthful, so usually most people just shorten it to Tenroku, and yeah, let's go take a look. So Tenjinbashi-suji 6丁目 shotengai, or Tenjinbashi-shotengai, is the longest in Japan. It's 2.6 kilometers long. If you want to convert that into miles, it's on you guys. It's home to over 600 different shops. You got restaurants, you got bars, you got convenience stores, you got lotto shops, barber shops. Everything you can imagine is down here. Right now, because we're kind of shut down during the whole COVID situation, a lot of places are kind of closed. But as you can see, there's still plenty of people. So what else would you expect from a shopping mall like this other than a kimono yasan, or a kimono shop, where you can buy a lot of different Japanese souvenirs, fabrics, wrapping cloths, socks, purses made from recycled kimono, wooden sandals. These would make a great a souvenir or a gift for somebody back home. Obi placemats, those are also a great one. So these are all basically recycled from used or old kimono. And if you want, yeah, you can actually buy yourself tenjinbei, which is like a men's less formal kimono, more used for like around the home or in the summer. Super comfortable. So for those of you who want to know how to get here by train, the closest station is Minami Morimachi Station. That's on both the Sakai-suji brown subway line and Tanimachi purple subway line. And there's a JR station here as well, which is called Osaka Tenmangu. You come up out of exit 3 and boom, you're right here in the covered shopping mall. Oh, knife shop. I'm not really one for fortune telling, but this place has a little robot which is apparently gonna give me my fortune and do a little dance for me for 100 yen. Look at him go. Here's my fortune. I'm gonna open this up and see how I did. Alright. It says right here I'm gonna have moderate luck. That sounds about right for me. Okay. There's some helpful advice in there. It says don't spend somebody else's money. I'll try not to. So if you get a fortune like this, which is not a really, really good one, what you can do is fold it up and then tie it back on here for good luck for next time. So we're about halfway down, and this is another subway station which you can use to get here. It's Ogimachi Station on the Sakai-suji line. I've counted at least 4 100 yen stores since we've been down here. I'm gonna check if there's any more. Oh, the other thing I saw 4 of was at least 4 bubble tea shops. So if you're a fan of bubble tea or cheap stuff from the 100 yen store, you got any fine art fans out there? Or even those who just like copies of fine art? You've got your 800 yen Mona Lisas, 1200 yen slightly larger Mona Lisas, we've got a Van Gogh, we've got a Vermeer, it's a Renoir, there's a couple of Hokusai if you prefer Japanese fine art, there's a Degas. It looks like they've got plenty more in the back too. On the croissant. We're about, I think, 2/3 of the way down the shopping center, and we're at JR Tenma station. JR Tenma's on the JR Loop line that runs around Osaka City, so it's super convenient.すいません。いちご大福1つとみかん大福をもう1つください。はい。あ、紙の方でいいです。So we got a little bit hungry. Had to stop and get something sweet to eat. I'll show you what these look like in a second. Hi. お願いします。はい、ありがとうございます。25日までお日持ちします。あ、わかりました。はい、ありがとうございます。まあすぐ食べますのでいただきます。Alright, let's see what we got. That's Ichigo Daifuku, and that one is Mikan Daifuku. So that's actually got an entire orange inside it. Well, a mandarin. And that one is a whole strawberry inside like a mochi casing, I guess. But it's nice and cold, and I'm gonna eat this right now. All right, here we go. Don't need the paper. Ooh, it's nice and cold. I'm just gonna go the whole thing, all right? Woo! It's really cold. It's really, really good. You should definitely try it. Don't drop it, buddy. Dude, I don't think you're gonna get that all in your mouth in one go. See that? See the whole mandarin orange in there? Oishii. Okay, so we're about 1 block from the carpet shopping street where we just came from. And we're at one of Osaka's most famous Shinto shrine / temples. This is Osaka Tenmangu. It's the home of the Tenjinbashi-suji, which is in September, I believe. I could be wrong. You might need to fact check me on that one. But it's very famous for coming here for blessings for your business, also for like good luck throughout the year. I'm going to show you guys how to pray when we go inside. Normally, when you visit a temple or a shrine, the first thing you're supposed to do when you come in is wash your hands. Unfortunately, due to our current situation, they've actually had the hand washing area like turned off, so as not to risk people catching COVID-19. I'm going to show you guys how to pray when you visit a Shinto shrine. We made it. We walked the whole thing. Thanks for joining us. Keep an eye out for some more videos. Please feel free to comment, rate, or subscribe on this video. Hit the like button. Thanks for joining us. We're going to head back now.